In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Microsoft Teams group so you can start collaborating with your team effortlessly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips. Start by logging into your Microsoft Teams account. Once on the home page, click on Chat in the upper left corner. In the Chat section, click the New Chat icon to start a fresh group conversation. Next, type in the email, name or phone number of the people you want to add. Suggestions will pop up as you type, making it quick to select the right contacts. Once chosen, click to add them to your group. Now it's time to send your first message. A brief introduction or a kick-off note works great to set the tone. You can also give your group a name to keep things organized, especially if you manage multiple groups. Look for the Edit Group Name option, type in your desired name, and click Save to finalize. And that's it. Your Microsoft Teams group is now ready for collaboration, document sharing, and seamless communication. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on all things productivity and teamwork.